Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education.
Hey guys, it's James the Chart Guys. It is Tuesday, May 23rd. Going to do my nightly video on oil. So oil, we're coming up on this downtrend line here on the daily that I have drawn. And if we're able to get above this downtrend line, then we're going to look at for a break of 54.45. Again, the trend right now is that we've been setting, so we have the high, we have a lower high, a lower low, and so we don't want to see another lower high here and reject at the downtrend line. If we do that, then we're going to look for a bear position and to head back down. So watch for that. As long as oil is again above the daily 8 EMA, my red line here, then bulls are in control. So if we lose that 8 EMA with a rejection here, then we'll start looking bearish on oil. But again, the bulls are still in control with it being above that 8 EMA. Then we'll look at this price, this price here at 54.45, the recent high. And if we break that, then we'll break that trend of setting lower highs on the daily. Weekly looks the same. You can see that let me move this line. You can see that we have a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low. So definitely something to consider, and we're currently at the 50 MA weekly resistance. If we get above that on the weekly and close, we're going to have to close above this 20 MA here on the weekly, which is currently at 52.24. And you can see that on the last bounce attempt that we had, it rejected right at that 20 MA on the weekly. So we need to get above that, break the downtrend line, and get above 54.45. If we're unable to do that and we reject at that downtrend line and 20, which lines up, I guess it lines up pretty close to that weekly 20 MA. You could draw a weekly downtrend line here. It lines up pretty dead even with that 20 MA there. So on that 20 MA weekly, I will be looking for a bear position on any rejection there. So have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.